On today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to create folklore or folktale videos just like this, as you can see on this page. This particular page, look at the views, okay? Look at the video views, okay? And then this person is so consistent, posting almost every 4 days, okay? The truth of the matter is, what you see that is working for others, if you tweak it for yourself on YouTube, it will also work. This works for every other social media platform. Now, the first thing for this kind of videos is you have to have a good and solid script. You can easily use Meta AI that you can find on your WhatsApp. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp. You see Meta AI right here. You can ask Meta AI anything, okay, and it can create for you. So you can use Meta AI to do this as well as using Copilot. So we're going to try it too. So I want it to create a narrative story for me. So here is the prompt. So let's see what Meta AI produces and what Copilot produces. So this is it. I'm going to be opening my notepad for your story. So now we're going to go to the second part of this video, which is going to be how to get the pictures. First thing we have here is, in a small village nestled between rolling rocks and dense forest. We are going to create a stage. We are going to create this small village nestled between rolling rocks and dense forests. Okay, this is going to be the first picture we are going to create. So I'm going to go back to Copilot and I'm going to say create an image of a small, I'm going to write African village. I'm going to say high definition. I forgot how they spell definition. But you get my point, please. High definition, 4K, hyper realistic. All right. Now we are going to send this for it to create. We are also going to copy the same prompt, okay, and we are going to get it to our Meta AI to do the same thing for us. Nice. This is very nice that it has created for us. All right, so we are going to click it. Once you click it, it's going to take you to Microsoft Explorer, okay, and the Microsoft Explorer, you're going to see the different kinds of the villages. As you can see, the village, this tells us the village as chosen. So I like this. You can either customize it if you want, or you can just download it. I like this one, so I'm going to download it. But I'm going to go now. Look at the picture that was created with Meta AI. I think it looks beautiful. I think it does look beautiful as well. And if I like it, I'm just going to click here and I'm going to save it as I'm going to save it into a folder on my desktop. So that is it for the first prompt. I'm going to go back, and you can always save all these ones later to tell your story. So the second thing we have here is we are going to be creating, there lived a woman named Amina. Amina is known for her kindness. Create a picture of a lady called Amina, known of an African lady known for her kindness and beauty. So this is what I'm going to do. We are going to now create a picture of Amina. So what I'm going to do is tell it to create, I'm writing create a picture of a young African lady, let's paste this, known for her kindness and beauty. Copy that. If you have watched at this point and you are learning something, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel. It helps the algorithm push more people my way. Now this is the picture that WhatsApp created for us. I don't know why WhatsApp put this man's face by the side of this picture. I really do not know what this face is doing in this picture, but this is what WhatsApp did for us. Let's see what Copilot created for us. See, very nice. So we just have to choose one that is going to represent Amina. I kind of feel like these pictures are a little bit too young, so you can always go ahead and adjust it. So I did this to create pictures for every instance of what you're talking about. So I went ahead and I used Meta AI, the one on WhatsApp, to generate, I beg your pardon, all the clips I will need for this video. You can see, looking at our storyline, everything they said, African lady crossing the Raging River, I just put that there. It generated it for me. Every scene used on our movie, every scene we are going to use in our movie, it generated. Sometimes they'll generate the wrong picture for you. You just have to put that particular prompt again and kind of adjust something so they can create the kind of image that you want. Okay, so I used Meta AI and I must say it was very easy to use. If I didn't like what it created, I just put in the prompt again and it created something better. So once we are done creating all the clips that we are going to need for this video, we're going to go to the last and the final step, which is to go to our video editing software, whatever video editing software that you like to use. The video editing software I'm going to be using in this instance is going to be CapCut. I have videos of CapCut, how to learn CapCut, how to use CapCut. I have videos of that all over this channel, so you can just go and watch any of my training videos on how to use CapCut and use it. So what we're going to do now in our editing software is we are going to bring in all of the pictures that we have just created. Okay, all of them. What we're going to do is we're going to bring in all the pictures that we have generated using AI, and then we are going to lay them all down, and then we are going to create our video. All right, so these are all the pictures that we have generated, that I have imported into the timeline. So the very next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to open my script. All right, so what I'm going to do now for this video is, this is the script that was generated with Copilot. I said you can also generate with Meta AI. I'm going to create a voiceover that is going to, I'm just going to read the script out as a voiceover. Okay, so this is the way you do it on CapCut. You just click on your CapCut and click this particular voiceover button. Okay, so I'm going to select the mic I'm using. I have an inbuilt a mic I joined to my system. So I'm going to start my recording and I'm going to read my script. So guys, I have created the voiceover. I wish there's a way I could play it for you guys to hear, but this is what it sounds like.
In a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests.
Okay, so I just basically read out the script. All right, the next thing we are going to do now is to begin to lay our pictures on top of this voiceover based on what the voiceover is saying. So this is the way it's going to work. So once I'm done laying the clips in accordance to what the storyline is saying, as you can see, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to do your sound design. When I mean your sound design, you're going to put soundtracks under. So what that means, you're going to put a soundtrack during the sad parts and change the soundtrack during upbeat parts of the story. Okay, so after you've laid all your clips, as I said, you're going to go over it with putting transitions in between. You just go to transitions and then you drop anyone you like in between the two clips. This just makes them flow better. See what it's going to look like now.
In a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests,
there live the two video, the pictures just move and glide smoothly together. So you put that in between all your clips, as you can see, and then the final thing you will do is you're going to put some kind of effect on it. I always go to adjustment and I go to presets. I have some presets I've saved. This is just what when I mean presets, I mean things like sharpen, blur, they just make your video look a lot crisper. Okay, so I just dropped that on top. So my videos are looking very clean now, if you can see. All right. And then the next thing I do is I'm going to be dropping captions. I'm going to do an auto caption on it so that the whole story will be subtitled. Okay, so what you just do is you click captions and then you click English and then you just click generate. This is going to take some time to generate auto captions. These are the subtitles for your video. So guys, that's it for this video tutorial. I hope you try it and ask me any questions you might have in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. See you guys on the next one. Bye.